Hi everybody, I'm Laura Fife and welcome to the Figment 6 Minute Writing little mini workshop. Your prompt for today is doorway. One of the advantages of living with a 5-year-old is there are always lots of things lying about the house that you can use as inspiration. So this was the inspiration that I had for today. Now this is day 20 and this is the 12th of April 2020. So as I say, our writing prompt for today is doorway. Okay, so for your 6 minute writing, as ever, put your pen to paper and keep it there. Scribble, 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 and keep going and don't stop. Even if the only thing you can think of writing is, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write, that's fine. Anything goes. Don't worry about editing. You can save that for after. This is just your creative process, and don't let your editor get anywhere in the way of that. Just let it go and let it flow, which is my little cringy slogan that I've developed. Okay, so your 6 minutes, pen and notepad ready. If you don't have it ready, pause this just now until you do. So your 6 minute writing prompt for today is doorway, and begin. Okay, everybody, that is your 6 minutes. I hope you are having a lovely Easter weekend. I will join you tomorrow morning at 8:30 as per normal for Easter Monday and for day 21. All the best, guys. Hope you had a bit of fun with that as well. I know I certainly did. I have got one setting, reminded me a little bit of Labyrinth. I don't know if you remember Labyrinth with David Bowie. It took me down a little kind of labyrinth there, and I've got another idea there as well for a poem. Feel free to share where your ideas took you. I'm always interested to know all the huge variety of places that prompts can take. The same prompt can take lots of different people. It's fascinating. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. All the best, guys.